Hi, I'm Susan. Today is day 6 of Junk Journal January, and our prompt is embossed. So this challenge is hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. Be sure and check out her channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. So, all right. Like I said, our prompt is embossed. And if you watched me a couple of days ago, you see what happened when I tried to emboss something that I had put down. I was stamped over something I had stenciled around, and I had used the Tim Holtz oxide, and it ended up covering the whole flower here. So I've cut that out because it is embossed, and I've got this embossed paper as well. And I'm just going to do a rough tear around this. I've had it in my stash a while, but I have an embossing, or what do you call it, die cut machine and embossing folders. So I am just going to use this. And I think I will take, this one's Peel Paint. Let me see here. Let me find a brush. Should have done this sooner. Kind of clean it off the best. I don't have a brush for each one. But I'm going to go over that a little just to kind of bring out some of the embossing. Okay. And I think, just for the fun of it, since it is an oxide, I do love how the oxides react with water. All right. Fun. Okay. So I'm going to put that down kind of as a background. And I've got some of my fodder that I've doodled that from magazines and I learned this from Debbie of My Vagabond Style. So let me see. First of all, let me get this down. Let me go around the edges here, just to help it to stand out a little bit from the background. I've enjoyed this challenge. I always do. And I have seen some beautiful and fun interpretations. Okay. So now, let's see how I want to lay this out. I'm thinking I will kind of want to do something along these lines. I think I want this one on the top. And I'm thinking I want the flower down here. Okay. So let me go ahead and get these down. I will just work with them however they turn out, because I never can get it back straight the way I want it. Anyway, I just want some idea. So I just want to get that up as high as I can. And this one. I'm not going quite all to the end just in case I want to tuck something. Now this, let's see here. I want some of my stickers maybe. Okay. Oops. Okay, got that one. Tuck this one up under here. And we have these roses. I've enjoyed these stickers that my sons got me. They both got me some stickers. I love them. I've always loved stickers. I'm gonna have to clip that right there. Okay. Now, I don't want just a black blob there. So what I think I'm gonna do is cut out I'm not even sure. I want to say these came from the Digital Collage Club. I'm almost positive they did. So I'm thinking something kind of like that, maybe. Add that in. And maybe that can go there. I like it. I'm not sure it's my favorite, but I like it. So now, let me add in a butterfly. Now these stickers I got, you have to cut around them. I like them much better when you can just peel them off. But I do love the stickers. These I got last year, I think. Okay. I feel like I need maybe a ticket or something. Something small. Maybe a little. Like that. maybe something a little bit different color. Okay, can't find my tweezers. There. So let's try this. Yeah, I think a different color. Okay, let me see what. There we go. I like it. It is a bit messy though. But they're not all going to be my favorite. But I do like it. I do want to add some gold splatters. And there we go, day 6. Done and done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January. I have it listed in my description box down below. So until next time, bye y'all.